The 2018 International Monetary Fund and World Bank Annual Meetings in Bali concluded over the weekend, with global financial leaders warning against complacency in the mission for global growth and calling on countries to brace for potential risks amid heightened trade tensions and ongoing geopolitical concerns, noting that tighter financial conditions particularly affecting many emerging markets and developing countries. Following a plenary meeting between the two institutions, the International Monetary and Financial Committee, or the IMFC, which advises the IMF's Board of Governors, issued a communique outlining an agreed set of guiding principles among the 189 member countries. The document outlines that global expansion remains strong. However, it also cautioned against increasingly uneven recovery and a narrowing window of opportunity to protect expansion and mitigate risks. The IMF early in the meetings in Bali downgraded its global growth outlook to a still robust 3.7% from the 3.9% projected in April. IMF Managing Director Christine Lagarde, during a press briefing on Saturday, remained upbeat over global outlook, but noted that growth has plateaued and called for enhanced cooperation for the benefit of all. Sail together and we will be stronger. Focus on your policies. Don't drift and let's cooperate as much as we can, because we will be better off together, IMF Managing Director Christine Lagarde said at the conclusion of the meetings. Included in the communique are also calls to refrain from competitive currency devaluations, not to target exchange rates for competitive purposes, and step up dialogue and actions to tackle shared challenges in international trade, including on ways to improve the World Trade Organization. The IMFC also urged countries to produce fiscal policies that would rebuild buffers, ensuring debts would remain under control, and called on central banks to maintain monetary accommodation, particularly to control inflation. The document further welcomed the IMF and World Bank Executive Board's endorsement of the Bali FinTech Agenda published earlier in the week, which outlines 12 principles as key considerations on the development of financial technology. Lisa Josephine for the Jakarta Post, reporting from Nusa Dua, Bali.